If you have an e-bike, make sure to get a torque arm to prevent damage and serious accidents. This is called a torque arm for an e-bike. It's used to prevent an axle spinout. An axle spinout is where the motor spins the axle instead of the wheel. On my Heidos B6, I had an axle spinout and it damaged the control cable. An e-bike axle has a flat side and a round side. The longer hole attaches on the frame using the small bolt, while the big hole goes on the axle. The first step is to measure the flat and round side of an axle. One easy way is to measure with wrenches. When you order a torque arm, it goes by the measurement of the round side. M12 is the round side. The round side on my axle of my e-bike is 12mm, which means it's a M12. That means you would order an M12 torque arm. This type of torque arm screws directly into the frame. This brand has a 2-in-1. This torque arm is a different style, and you clamp it to the frame. This brand comes in a 2-pack. To put on the torque arm, you have to slide on the plate first before putting on the axle nut. You can also put washers on the torque arm bolt to keep the torque arm parallel to the frame. My Heidos B6 has a control cable that goes into the end of the axle. This thick cable prevents using torque bar on this side bike. I couldn't slide the torque arm over the control cable. I could only use one torque arm on the Heidos B6. Your bike control cable might enter the hub motor at a different location. The links to both types of the torque arm are in the description.